Today we will see WC and bath waterproofing. Method used is brick Bat Coba waterproofing. This is one of the type of waterproofing used for WC and bath waterproofing. First step is cleaning the sunk area properly till the sunk slab is visible. There should not even be dust on the sunk. Sunk is properly watered and cleaned. Any binding wire, nails, cement slurry, loose cement should be removed and watered properly and cleaned. After proper cleaning of the sunk slab, we do kach khadi. So what is kach khadi? Kach khadi means all four sides, like corners of all four sides of a bathroom. Suppose this is a bathroom, all four sides we apply mortar in slope form and then put aggregate here above it, above mortar. Mortar is laid on all four sides of the bathroom in slope form. Above mortar we put aggregate in line. Like this is a plan of a bathroom, and this means this hatch portion is kach khadi. Suppose this is section AA. This is how it looks after cutting it. This is how it looks. This is mortar applied on corners in slope form and aggregate above it. Mortar. Then this is top view after kach khadi. Top view of a bathroom after kach khadi. These points are aggregates. Then after kach khadi, water is filled in sunk for 1 to 2 days, and if we notice leakage, we widen the crack using grinder and do socket grouting. Suppose these are cracks that are visible and there is leakage here, so we first use grinder and widen this crack properly. Then socket is fixed upon widened crack using cement paste, and grouting using cement paste or chemical is done using grouting machine. Suppose this is crack and this is cement paste and socket is fixed, like socket is fixed here upon crack, and it is stabilized using a cement paste to fix the socket in proper position. Then we apply machine here. By this machine we do pressure grouting. Then 1 to 2 days after grouting we do chemical coat. Chemical used is styrene butadiene rubber latex or SBR latex. This chemical is mixed with cement and if required water in the ratio of 1:1.5. That is, for 1 liter cement put 1.5 liters chemical. The mix becomes greyish in color. Using brush, apply this mix in 2 coats. One coat horizontal and second coat vertical. After applying first coat, wait for 3 to 4 hours, then apply second coat. After applying one coat, we must wait for 3 to 4 hours. Do not apply just after applying the first coat. We must keep a time difference of 3 to 4 hours for second coat. Chemical is applied on the base of sunk and sides up to 1 meter height. Suppose this is wall of a side wall of a bathroom. So as we know, this is base and this is side wall. So we apply chemical here fully. Then on side wall, on all 4 sides up to 1 meter chemical is applied. Up to 1 meter. Some companies do less, for example 0.5 meter, 0.3 meter above sunk, but 1 meter is standard practice followed. and chemical coat is applied like, for example, this is wall. First coat is applied like horizontal. This is the movement of brush, like brush should be moved horizontally. Then on second coat we do vertical. This is the movement of second coat. This way there is no gap remained. While applying chemical, keep in mind chemical should come 50 mm on wall plaster. For example, this diagram shows 50 mm, like this is plaster, and this line shows chemical coat limits. The chemical should overlap the plaster surface up to 50 mm. As we know, in WC and bath waterproofing, when we do plaster of WC bath, 1 meter height is not plastered. Like this portion is not plastered. This portion is not plastered because we do waterproofing here. So for example, this is plastered. When we apply chemical coat, we should overlap this like 50 mm for 50 mm. This way we should do waterproofing. By doing this joint is sealed. This is a point where leakage can happen, so this is sealed properly. After 2 hours, apply chart on the chemical coat, and next day we can do plaster. Chart is a application of like plaster but not finished. For plaster, mix 200 ml LW plus chemical in 1 bag cement mix. Like in 1 bag cement, for example, 1 bag cement and 4 to 5 bags sand, we put 200 ml LW plus chemical. This is called base coat. Plaster is roughened using a tar to bond properly with tiles and brick bed. Plaster is always roughened. For example, this is wall. We do base coat here, so it should be roughened because we have to bond tile there, so the surface must be rough to bond properly the tiles and brick bed. Water is filled in the sunk for next 3 days. Then we do brick bed and then finishing or final coat above it. After 3 days we do brick bed. There should be minimum 3 days gap after base coat to do brick bed, and then finishing or final coat is applied above it. In brick bed and finishing mortar, both we add LW plus chemical. In every step of waterproofing there is chemical added, one or another. Finishing top should be roughened again for bonding tiles. Finishing top must be roughened. After finishing coat, water is filled for up to 7 days minimum. Water curing is done at every step of waterproofing. Always remember, natural sand is used for waterproofing. Thank you.